Children, now let's learn the shapes. Trace the dotted lines and color the shapes. Now let's see the shapes. This is a pentagon. This is a trapezium. This is a chevron. This is a semicircle. This is a heptagon. This is a trapezium. Now you have to trace the dotted line and color it. Do it in your book, children. Trace all the shapes, color the shape that matches to the first one in each row. First shape is trapezium. You have to see where is trapezium here. This is trapezium. You have to trace it and color it. This is a chevron. You have to see where the chevron is. Here is the chevron. You have to trace it and color it. This is a oval. You have to see where the oval shape is. Here it is. You have to trace it and color it. This is a parallelogram. You have to see where the parallelogram is. Here it is. You have to trace it and color it. Do it in your book, children.